listen, I'm so in love with this one right here.
I guess you could say things are getting pretty serious.
This is a perfect example of why you don't have to chase year, like newer cars, I should say. It's all about what you do to the one you have. This is a previous gen, but this is just nasty. You see it's bagged. Y'all see the detail in the wheels. Got the Brembo set up. The color is just sick with it. The SRT8, just demonic. Absolutely demonic. This is Mopar Social Club as well. So I got one. Pulling it out the garage for the crew today. Pulling it out the garage. Make sure y'all check my guy out. Make sure y'all follow him on IG. One Low SRT. Crew love. We got the wide body. The wide body. This kid ain't cheap, ladies and gentlemen. Check him out on IG. This kid ain't cheap. And if you know, you know. That offset is just, you ain't seen an offset like that since Migos. Showing off. See it. Just bad, man. Different. Yes, indeed. This is what we doing, man. Mopar Social Club. Co-op meet with Unchained Mopars. Just flex. It's pressure, man. It's pressure. Look at this. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Pressure. Y'all see it? Wipe your mouths. You're drooling on yourselves. I know you are. And I'm telling you, this is frostbite. Like, oh my God. That's so cold. The Rubicon is so cold. Got A.B. Bowling. Y'all see the man? Y'all see it? Check him out. Get him up. Yeah. TX_Red Bull. Make sure y'all get with that guy. Looking clean. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clean in it. Hit my guy on IG, man. Slap that follow button. I gotta show love to these clean Mopars, man. We out here for the culture. This is what we do. This is what we do. Let's bite off their heads. Y'all already know. All right, so my man's, he hit me with the
I told him, I'm gonna hit him.
Yeah, he hit me with the sound on it on the Purge. He running the Nitrous, but he was too far to hit me with the full effect. He gonna give it to me now. Let me get it. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? You know what? Just call a priest. Just call a priest. It needs an exorcism. It needs an exorcism. Call a priest. Y'all ain't ready for that, man.